Ex-military, have you ever been accused of stolen valor? I wore my dress blues to my son's high school graduation, 22 years, Marine Corps, 4 deployments, I'd earned it. My son had asked me to wear them. During the reception, this guy approaches me, already filming with his phone. Which battalion were you with in Fallujah? I answered, 3rd Battalion, 5th Marines. Wrong. They never deployed to Fallujah. Stolen valor. He shouted, drawing a crowd. I calmly explained that 3-5 absolutely was in Fallujah during Operation Phantom Fury. Prove it, he demanded, getting in my face. Where's your combat action ribbon? What's your MOS? Before I could answer, he swung at me, poor decision. I sidestepped, he stumbled into the juice bowl. Mind you, dude was about 5'4", 280, slowest punch ever. Campus security detained us both. When police arrived, the guy kept insisting he was protecting the honor of real veterans. The officer asked for his service details. That's when he admitted he never actually served, just studied military history extensively. My phone rang while we were sorting this out. It was my old platoon commander calling to confirm our reunion next month.